So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So we should be expecting an bullish move for the day on our GBPJPY. So guys, if you're going for the buy and you hold your buy position till it is able to tap this high, right? You will be making about 220 pips. So you can see that there is a 220 pips potential bullish move you will likely catch on GBPJPY. But first and first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's zoom it out and see the trend on our GBP. We are in an uptrend move. You can see the full trend on GBPJPY is clearly an uptrend move. It's clearly trending to the upside. Now if you have to zoom it in, we've gotten a double bottom right here. Market has given us a double bottom, which is a multiple rejection, which means market to push up. Now here comes the pullback. Market was able to push up again to give us a new high, and here comes the pullback phase right here. Now with this pullback, we should be expecting market to push up again to give us a new high, hereby taking out this high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP, you should be going in for the buy. A bullish move is what we are going to be expecting. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction that we just? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So above all, a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on GBPJPY. You should see that bullish move push up to take out this high. That will be giving us about more than 200 pips, right, on the day or for the week possibly.